Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a full restoration on white cement 3s. Let's get started. We're going to start off by completely washing off the shoe. All I'm using here is some warm water and Dawn soap. Now that the shoe's washed, we're going to use acetone to remove any old paint and so that the new paint can adhere better. Be careful when using acetone on plastic pieces as it can melt the plastic. Just like the uppers, we're going to use acetone and cotton balls to remove the paint from the midsole. The next step is to glue the shoe back together. But before we do that, we need to make sure that we sand both the upper and the midsole so that they can adhere better. The glue that I'm using is Angelus Cement Glue. The way this glue works is you apply a layer to both the upper and the midsole, and then you wait 10 minutes for it to dry, and after you heat it up and push both pieces together. When applying paint, always make sure to do multiple thin layers. When painting a midsole, I like to use my airbrush paired with Jacquard airbrush paint, but you can also paint this with a brush. The last thing to do is to paint the Jumpman in the back and the Air logo. For this, I've found that the back of a paintbrush works best to spread the paint around. And there you have it. These shoes are fully restored and looking like new again. I hope you guys learned something new and try this with your own pair. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with any questions you might have. Also, DM me on Instagram so you can find out how to get a free pair of customs. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.